That seems like a very appropriate place to start in our WDSU First Warning weather forecast. Your outlook for the bus stop tomorrow morning. For most of us, 70s. To the North Shore, it could be closer to 71 to 72. You could be more on the order of 75 to 78 in parts of the South Shore, but I do have a chance that there could be some rain even as soon as you get up after sunrise. That's 6:24 in the morning. So don't be surprised if you do, and I'll have dual modeling forecasts to actually show you what it looks like in the morning hours too. But right now, WDSU First Warning Weather Doppler radar, you got a little shower. It's over Lake Borgne. You got some storms there way out St. Bernard Parish, marshy areas. And you got some areas of showers that are just around the Pearl River. And let's check out Pearl River County near Bogalusa. This little shower, white sand might have gotten clipped. Fords Creek, Varnado, Bogalusa. If that holds, that could be your lone shower here tonight, but it looks to be fading pretty fast. So let's get back into the forecast. We'll start with tropics yet again. What we've done is taken out any tropical system in the wave named Dexter. The National Hurricane Center said that storm is just a typical storm. It gets its energy from cold, warm air in the atmosphere, not from the ocean. It's still a powerful storm, northern Atlantic. It's right there. 60% chance, medium chance development next 3 to 7 days out of that one. And its Invest 96L will really be our focus. This system off the east coast of the U.S. now, 10-20% chance of possible development. There, the storms in the forecast data, completely unimpressive. Could be bringing showers and storms Outer Banks, North Carolina. It did bring in some heavy rain last night that we talked about, unfortunate flooding events that occurred, but that tropical humidity will be going away with that system, and I don't see much to it. Let's focus now, Invest 96L. There it is. We've got that center of where the energy is way ways away. Look how far it has to go to the zone where there's possible development, tropical depression, tropical storm. Here's a long view to show you that you got Africa behind me. That was South America. Bottom left screen, America was way off the United States. So typical forecast tracks have been coming in and still keep this thing even east of Bermuda. That's what we say is an outlier. It doesn't like to do what the rest are doing. And this is going to be looking at the ensemble tracks. It's our forecast here in the U.S. We make one, we change it and run it about 30 different times. And that middle of the road forecast takes it east of Bermuda. What happens is high pressure just off the African coast. This really takes hold. That's going to force the system up north and keeping it out of Bermuda's way. But you can see that there is little organization and strengthening. It doesn't look very impressive. Now, hurricane season was updated, the forecast from NOAA today. The official forecast, remember, was here in Gretna, Jefferson Parish in May. Well, the downgraded storms 13 and 18 now, 5 to 9, and then only 2 to 5. That compares to Dr. Phil Klotzbach's Colorado State University forecast update yesterday, 16, 8, and 3. Take a look at what we've got, 17, 7, and 4. So we're a little bit above here, hurricanes and major. Hopefully we're really wrong with the major hurricanes. Next up would be Aaron in our outlook. Rainfall kind of came in late in the day. Look at the marina, came in with 2 3/4. There were water spouts reported in funnel clouds. 70s, 80 right now. And there's a look at that chance of some morning storms we had in that bus stop forecast. 40% chance of the storms during the day. Could get some locally heavy rain, a lot of lightning, maybe even some gusty winds. We had that today. Temperatures are topping out right around 90. Hey, we got a lot of events coming in. We got the Pickleball Fest. We also have the Red Dress Run this weekend, Dirty Linen Night, U.S. Gymnastics Championships. You just have to dodge a storm here and there. Higher tropical humidity by Sunday to next Monday. Tuesday could be the likeliest storm days.